Hey everyone, welcome back to the Jorphany YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a spelling bee. Ooh, let's see who can spell better. Who do you guys think can spell better? Stephanie or me? Well, let's find out. So here comes word number one.
No.
Yeah, I have a word. So
disclaimer, straight up, I can't spell, but whatever. Here we go.
Alright, so spell octopus.
O-C. T-U-S. No, wait. T-U. P-U-S.
So you're saying O-C-T-U-P-U-S. Like octopus?
Yeah.
It's an O, not a U, so it's octo.
That was close enough.
Alright, your turn.
Okay. Let's see. Oh my god. Omnious.
Omnious?
Yeah.
O-M-N-I-O-U-S.
Oh, that's crazy.
Wait, yeah.
No, that's
hold on. Omnious, so
final answer?
hold on. O-M-N-I-O-U-S.
Nope, it's O-M-I-N-O-U-S.
Oh, ominous.
No.
She said it wrong. She said omnious.
Yeah, that's how you say it.
Let me see.
Omnious.
That's ominous.
Whatever. Okay, go. Next one. Okay.
I had it right though.
No, you did it.
All right, so the next one for you is recession. like a recession in the market.
R-E-C-E-S S shit. E-T-I-O-N? Recession?
No, it's S-I-O-N.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's recession like that.
Oh, okay. It's not too bad.
So I got the first. Well, you messed up. You pronounced yours wrong, so that didn't count.
Omnious. That's.
No, look, omnious and ominous are two different words.
What's the difference?
We can look it up. Watch. There's ominous. Look, see ominous, right? Which ominous means giving the impression that something bad or unpleasant is going to happen. And then there's omnious. Hold on. Omnious. Omnious. Where is it? Omnious. What does the word omnious? It's omnious mean? So it's right here. Anyways, yeah, actually, even if it was omnious, I would have spelled it wrong. So I got it wrong anyway, because omnious is O-M-N-I-O-S, and I said I-O-U-S. Anyway, all right. So next word.
All right, for you. Let's do. Phenomenon.
Phenomenon. So P-H-E-N-O-M-I-N-O-N. What?
What? It's wrong. No.
Let me see.
It's E, not I.
Oh, I said I?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Jeez. Okay. All right. For you, I
Give
got
me an easy one.
hippopotamus. Just
Oh
kidding.
my god.
No. Okay, I got it. Hippocampus. It's an easy one.
What does that mean?
The elongated ridges on the floor of each lateral ventricle of the brain, thought to be the center of emotion, memory, and the autonomic nervous system.
Use it in a sentence, though. Okay, let's say it again.
Hippocampus.
Hippo, H-I-P-P-O, hippo. And then campus. C-A-M-P-U-S.
Damn, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, look. It's easy.
Oh, okay.
All right, go for it.
Oh my god.
Who's winning so far?
Potpourri.
Potpourri?
Yeah.
So P-O-T-P-O-U-R-Y.
Almost. R-R-I.
All right, whatever. All right, my turn.
Oh, I have a good one. Okay.
You got a good one?
Yeah.
Let's see here. All right, I got you. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Vulnerable. Go.
Disclaimer, straight out, ESL right here. I try to sound it out in Spanish and then I have to translate it into English, long story short, but you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Nonetheless. What was the word again?
Vulnerable.
V-O-U. V-U?
It's not vulnerable, it's vulnerable.
V-U-L. N-E-R-B-L-E.
A-B-L-E. Vulnerable.
Exactly, I was trying to sound it out. Okay.
If you would have said vulnerable, you would have got it. Okay, next. She's choosing hard words, huh?
Metamorphosis.
Oh, that's easy. M-E-T-T-A.
Get it, huh?
M-O-R-P-H-I-S-E-S. What? No?
It's M-E-T-A-M-O-R-P-H-O-S-I-S.
All right, I got you. Ready?
Okay.
All right.
Did I
23
start,
difficult words to spell.
No! Did I start or you started?
Oh, it's my turn. Oh, I got you.
What?
Consciousness.
C-O-N. Consciousness.
Sound it out, boo.
C-O-N. S or C? Or
I don't know.
CS?
I don't know.
C-O-N. C-I-O. I don't even know. C-O-N. C-S-I-O. N-E-S-S? Yes? No? Okay, yeah.
It's like this.
C-O.
You forgot the S and a couple others.
And S-S. I always find trouble with when there's like I-E's and then the S is for the C's. Whatever.
Who's winning?
I don't know.
Okay, you could be winning because I love you. Okay, one more. Go. Last one.
All right.
How about this? If I get it, I win. If I don't, she wins. But this is going to pick a really hard one, guys.
Okay, so vivacious.
Vivacious. Vivacious. So V-A V-A-C-I-O-U-S.
You're close.
Wait,
No, that's it.
S-I-O-U-S. With an E at the end?
No, it's V.
Oh,
Viva.
C-I-O-U-S.
Yeah, Viva.
All right, guys. So she wins as
So
usual.
clearly we can't spell. Thank God for Word doc and
Yeah,
having the spell
autocorrect.
check.
But anyways,
Lifesaver.
hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know which word you liked the most that we did or did not spell, which most of the time we didn't spell. Anyway, just comment
ESL,
below.
babies.
Say something. And we personally reply to all the comments, so drop us a comment below. Make sure you subscribe, hit the little bell so you guys can be notified of every video, and we'll see you guys next time.
Yeah, let us know if you guys were ESL babies too
Yeah.
and suffered the same.
I graduated high school with 4 F's and 1 D, so
I survived my word spell check, but that's a whole other video.
All right, guys, subscribe, hit the like button. See you guys next time.
Bye.